girl, Daisy.
There. I think she's glad to see me. Hi there. Hi there. Hi, how are you today? Here, let me get down my...
No, I can give you the treat. Or maybe when she doesn't bite you, you can give it to her.
She wants her belly rub. That's what she wants.
It's the treat.
What is it?
It's a treat.
Oh.
I told you about it. Give it to her when she does something good, like doesn't bite you.
Oh, she's not biting
Like,
me.
well, she will, and then